Oh, nice. It's a Series X Halo. It's celebrating 20 years. It's in for repair. Let's see what... So I plugged it up here. Let's see. Okay, it powers on. Nice. The tester here doesn't show that it's okay, but I do have something on the screen. Straight. And according to the ticket, he says he spilled some Bang energy drink on it. Let's take it apart and clean out the motherboard. It looks like somebody tried to get in here before. I got the sandwich out here, and I do smell it. However, there's not much signs of water damage, just a little bit of droplets here and there. This is the HDMI area, and it doesn't seem like any water entered from this side. Let's take it apart further. So I got to the second motherboard here, and I do see slight water damage. It's impossible for the water to go on the underside of this one. It's just tightly sealed, Ovi. I'm gonna clean it up, put it back together, and see what happens. As I start to take a closer look here, there is corrosion by the coils and the MOSFETs to the AP. Alright, I got everything that I can see here, and I went over the HDMI area. Let's put it together and test. Alright, I put the essential pieces on just to test it. Let's power it on. Still powers on, that's good. The tester still doesn't say anything is okay, but we still have it on the screen. Alright, all I'm seeing here in the display section is the 640 by 480. That means there's a burnt ESD chip, possibly. We need to take it apart one more time. So as I said before, there's no water damage on this side because it's tightly sealed. And here's the ESD chip right there. No damage to it physically, but it could be burnt out. So let's try to find a replacement. These are not in stock in any manufacturer. Now the microscope here with my multimeter, I found the overprotection diode a little bit. I removed it, the diode was okay, so our problem is the ESD chip. I'll be damned, I removed the ESD and the short is not gone. It's not the ESD chip, there's something going on. I don't know where this little line right here goes. Look at the surprise I discovered here. There's corrosion on the flex cable that connects this board right here. Damn. Check it out under the microscope, it's completely butchered here. No wonder it wasn't turning on again. I thought I did something wrong, but damn, this cable needs to be replaced. And we have to get the corrosion that's on the inside of the connector, and I'm not sure if that's even possible. Yeah, and with that connector removed here, that short is gone, so that's a find. The short from the OL on number 14 is from the connector. Here's the connector under the microscope. I can't really clean it. I'm gonna try my best. This is the best I can do to the connector, but we do need a new flex cable. I'm gonna go grab a new flex cable. If it doesn't work, we're gonna need to replace this connector right here. See, this is a prime example that we killed it when we opened, and there's not much I can do. I did tell the customer that this is possible with corrosion like this. It is my birthday, so hit that like button, and let's see you in the next video.